Hey everyone, welcome back to College Dunya's YouTube channel. And for all of you who don't know me, I'm Tanya. I came to Canada as an international student and now I'm working over here. So guys, आज हम एक बहुत ही important और most talk topic के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, which is part-time jobs. Since studying abroad is really expensive, most of the international students come here and do a part-time job. And just like everyone else, मैंने भी एक पार्ट टाइम जॉब की थी. I used to work at a department store called Shoppers Drug Mart as a cashier. So today we're going to be talking about the things that you need to know about part-time jobs, the types of part-time jobs that you can get, and all of the details that you need to know about part-time jobs. So let's get right into the video. So guys, part-time jobs are really essential for a student. As an international student, I feel like it not only helps you get additional money that you need for your expenses, but it also helps you grow as a person. It makes you interact with the Canadians over here, with the residents over here. Your communication skills improve. आपको यहाँ का काम कैसे करते हैं वो पता चलता है. So I feel like it is really essential for you to develop and get comfortable in this new country. Now, before we begin into the types of part-time jobs, here's an important update, a really important update for any student who is currently in Canada or planning to come to Canada. So guys, for a long time, students were only allowed to work 20 hours a week. And that's it, you could only work part-time. उससे ऊपर आप नहीं काम कर सकते as a student in Canada. But on 7th of October, Government of Canada released a new measure according to which students who are on their student permit, who have a valid student permit and are allowed to work off campus, can work more than 20 hours a week. So this starts from 15 November 2022 to the 31st of December 2023. So more than एक साल तक you are allowed to work over 20 hours in a week. मतलब आप जितने चाहे उतने hours कर सकते हो, आप full time भी कर सकते हो. You can do as much as you want as long as you are able to do it and manage it with your studies. So in order to reduce the labor shortage that we are having in Canada, they are taking out this measure. So this is really beneficial for any student who is coming to Canada or who is already in Canada. आप 15 November से full time काम कर सकते हो. And this way you will be able to earn much more. You will be able to pay your college fees on your own. So guys, this is a really great news for all international students and I really hope कि सब तक ये news पहुँचे and this might open up opportunities for a lot of international students जो फिलहाल नहीं आ पा रहे हैं वो भी यहाँ आ पाए because you can earn as much as you want. Hope you guys take benefit of it. So now moving on to the types of part-time jobs that you will come across when you come to Canada. दो टाइप के मेनली पार्ट टाइम जॉब होते हैं. एक होता है इन योर फील्ड एंड वन इज आउटसाइड योर फील्ड. सो मोस्टली जो सारे स्टूडेंट्स कनाडा आते हैं दे वर्क फॉर अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब विच इज आउटसाइड देयर फील्ड. सो दीज जॉब्स यूजुअली डोंट रिक्वायर अ लॉट ऑफ स्किल्स. इट्स जस्ट लाइक admin work or something that can be easily done by anyone. So जैसे cashier, merchandiser, ये सारी चीज़ें होती है वो पार्ट टाइम जॉब होता है जिसके you don't need any technical skills and you can learn these things. So mostly सबको outside their field ये part time jobs करनी पड़ती है. There are a few lucky people who do get a part-time job in their own field. Canada usually goes by an hourly wage. So हर घंटे आपको एक fixed pay मिलता है. Minimum wage is the amount that a company needs to pay you. ये mandatory एक wage है और उसके नीचे कोई आपको pay नहीं कर सकता. So currently Ontario का minimum wage जो है वो है $1550. सो इसके अंडर कोई भी कंपनी आपको पे नहीं कर सकती. अगर आपको उसके अंडर पे कर रहे हैं वो तो इट इज़ इलीगल. सो एनी स्टूडेंट हु कम्स टू कैनेडा एंड डिसाइड्स टू डू अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब विल अर्न दिस मच. नाउ इसके अबाव आपको अगर चाहिए तो यू विल हैव टू फाइंड अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब विच पेज अबाव योर मिनिमम वेज रेट. सो जैसे आपको अपने फील्ड में कोई जॉब मिल गया दैट विल प्रॉबेबली पे अबाव मिनिमम वेज. And there are a few other jobs too that pay you above that wage rate. तो उसके बारे में I will talk in the video towards the end. So now let's talk about a few common part-time jobs that you will come across when you come to Canada and probably you will do these jobs. So number one is cashier. That is what I was at Shoppers Drug Mart. So this is basically pretty easy. The name says it all. You are a cashier and you deal with just like billing out people. तो आप उनका सामान स्कैन करते हो, you take money from them and that's kind of it. It's a pretty straightforward job. बहुत extensive training नहीं लगती and you don't really need any प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस फॉर दिस, यू कैन जस्ट गो देयर. वो आपको 2-3 दिन के लिए ट्रेन करेंगे एंड देन यू आर गुड टू गो. मोस्टली हर जॉब का यही होता है. दे विल ट्रेन यू फॉर 3 to 4 days एंड देन यू विल लर्न एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू एंड यू विल बी गुड. So yeah, I feel like cashier is a great job. It's easy, it doesn't involve a lot of hard work, and you get to interact with people as well, so it's fun as well. You might get a few rude customers sometimes, but otherwise it's a pretty decent and easy job to do. When you're planning to do a part-time job, be prepared कि mostly ये सारे jobs जो होंगे इसमें you will have to be standing. So mostly 6 to 8 hours के shift होते हैं, so be prepared कि आप इस पूरे shift में खड़े रहोगे. It might sound a little scary right now, but हो जाता है. Like you just get used to it and you get decent number of breaks in between. So जैसे आपको 8 hours के shift में 2 break मिल जाएंगे, so you don't have to worry, you'll be fine. Another really common one is a merchandiser. So ये भी usually departmental stores या grocery stores में होता है, जहाँ पे you have to set everything in the store, make everything look good. Basically जो चीज़ें लोगों ने खरीदी है वो आपको फिर से restock करनी है. So this is also easy to do unless आपको कोई heavy सामान वाला काम मिला हो, जैसे like fill out some big boxes or something like that. Then थोड़ा सा problem हो सकता है because you're like lifting heavy stuff. But otherwise this is also easy to do, and if you don't like interacting with people, then this might be a great job because you don't have to talk to anyone, you just have to keep doing this. I feel थोड़ा सा boring हो सकता है, but if you're good colleagues to work with, then it's great. And for people who want to do something in the night shift, आपको पूरे दिन काम नहीं करना and you can work in the night, so there are a lot of merchandising options जो आप रात में कर सकते हो. So this is a great idea for people who want to work in the night, and night shifts also do pay you $1 extra at most of the places, so this can be a great option. So third one is a store associate. So this is also somewhat similar. You're a cashier, merchandiser, like they can make you do anything. A lot of fashion brands, वहाँ पे आप एक store associate होते हो, तो you are assisting people with clothes, you are helping them with their questions. अगर कोई बड़ा brand है तो you can also be a personal shopper where you're telling people what they should buy, what would look good. Store associates could be anyone जो एक shop में maybe like clothes arrange कर रहे हैं, or they are like making everything look good, or they are at the fitting room just like helping people out. So हाँ, हर type के role होते हैं. It sounds easy, but काफ़ी टाइम ये भी हेक्टिक हो सकता है because it's really monotonous. So mostly ये सारे जो jobs होते हैं वो standing jobs होते हैं, and it requires physical activity. You're not sitting on a desk and working. Another common part-time job that I've heard of is working at a warehouse. This can get really tedious, I feel. But yeah, working at a warehouse is one of the common ones that I've seen. All you have to do is unload trucks and load them into the factory, or just carry stuff from one place to another. So if you have the physical ability, then go for it, but this can be really tiring. Another kind of job is a cook or a baker. So you could be working at a pizza shop baking pizzas, or you could be a cook at a restaurant. So usually ये जो pizza shops होते हैं ये सारे भी it's like you might need some prior skill, but otherwise it is really like you can get trained on this as well. So yeah, it's like just baking pizza, cleaning the store. बहुत सारे जो part time jobs होते हैं वहाँ पे they make you do everything. For example, if you work at a coffee shop like Tim Hortons, you will probably be making the coffee, so you are a barista. You will also probably have shifts where you're a cashier, you will have a shift where you're a merchandiser, and you will also have shifts where you're cleaning stuff. So when you're doing a part-time job, just be prepared to do anything and everything. एंड एक चीज़ जो कनाडा की बहुत अच्छी है वो ये है कि कोई भी काम बड़ा या छोटा नहीं होता. एवरीथिंग इज़ वेल रिस्पेक्टेड एंड एवरीवन गोना ट्रीट यू नाइसली, एंड कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है बिकॉज all of your friends will be doing it. So yeah, don't worry about it. However, one advice, don't let anyone mistreat you and take advantage of you. यहाँ पे hourly wage rate होता है, so be very particular about your hours, be strict about it. अगर आपकी 12 to 6 shift है, then 12 to 6 ही काम करना है. If they ask you to work beyond, then make sure you're getting paid for that. एंड जस्ट मेक श्योर, क्योंकि आर्ली वेज रेट है, आपको 1 मिनट भी आगे काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अनलेस दे आर पेइंग यू फॉर इट. सो या दीज आर काइंड ऑफ द कॉमन जॉब्स दैट यू विल बी डूइंग. बहुत सारे और भी पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स होते हैं. So apply for everything, and then if you don't like it, you can always switch and do something else. So now let's talk about a few jobs that pay you a little more than the minimum wage rate. So one of the common ones that people do are being a bartender, barista or a server. So इसमें आपको minimum wage rate ही मिलता है, but on top of that you get a lot of tips. सो आप टिप्स में काफ़ी कमा लेते हो. एंड गाइस, कनाडा में टिप कल्चर काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. सो वेर एवर यू गो, इफ़ यू गो टू एनी रेस्टोरेंट, इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड मैंडेटरी दैट आप उनको टिप करोगे. एंड आई फील लाइक 80-90% पीपल टिप देयर सर्वर्स. So you can earn pretty well on that. You can also be working at a restaurant as a server, and वहाँ पे भी आपको अच्छे tips मिल सकते हैं. Now, if you're working at a restaurant that serves alcohol, then you need a Smart Serve license. This basically teaches you the rules that you need to know to serve alcohol to people. So easy license होता है, इतना कोई complicated नहीं है. So you can give this and you can earn good money. Another common part-time job that offers more than minimum wage rate is security. So security is basically like आप कोई भी स्टोर पे जहाँ पे काफ़ी वैल्यूएबल चीज़ें होती हैं, वहाँ पे you are as a security guard. So basically you have to just guard that place and stand there and just be there. Usually इतना risky नहीं होता है and incidents rarely happen. So it is also a great option. अगेन, जस्ट लाइक बारटेंडर्स, इस जॉब के लिए भी एक लाइसेंस चाहिए होता है. सो सिक्योरिटी लाइसेंस भी इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता लेना, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू गिव एन एग्जाम टू गेट दैट लाइसेंस. अनदर रियली कॉमन वन इज फूड डिलीवरी. So basically you can become a delivery person at Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, DoorDash or any of those companies. All you have to do is deliver food. So आपको एक रेस्टोरेंट से जाके खाना लेना है and you have to deliver it to people's houses. So now this can be done by foot. Yes, आप walking भी ये कर सकते हो, or you can use a cycle, or you can do it by a car. So this is also a really common part-time job जो काफ़ी students करते हैं, and this offers you more than minimum wage because आपको इसमें भी tips में काफ़ी पैसे मिल जाते हैं. So this is a great option, and this is also good because आपको कहीं apply करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, and you can directly get started. A lot of students who have recently got cars, वो ये करते हैं because they want to pay off their car expenses. If you have a car, you can also do Uber or Lyft. So just like delivering food, you're basically like driving a cab and getting passengers from one place to another. So that is also a great option. If you have a specific skill, then you can definitely freelance. There are websites like Fiverr, जहाँ पे आप एक freelance job ढूंढ सकते हो. Finding them might be a little difficult, but still you can give it a try. If you have any specific skill, the girls, if you know anything in the parlor, like you know how to cut hair, or you know how to do nails, threading or something like that, then definitely वो भी एक special skill है. यहाँ पे बहुत महंगा होता है, so you can get a job at a salon. A few things that people do is they learn to ride a forklift. So that's like a machine that is used in warehouses. So ऐसे skills भी आप सीख सकते हो, and that will definitely offer you more than minimum wage rate. So guys, बहुत सारे options हैं आपके पास, and I personally feel अगर आपका course 1 साल से ज़्यादा के लिए है, then you should be doing these additional certificates or learn these additional skills because you're going to be doing a part-time job for more than a year. So it would be nice to learn these skills and be able to earn additional money in the same time. Talking about application process, so usually part-time jobs का application process इतना complicated नहीं होता. There are no like rounds of interviews or anything like that. एक interview होता है, and basically what really matters to them is your availability and what are the timings, and if your timings match with the employer, then they will hire you. So इसके लिए I highly recommend कि आपका resume भी जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा detailed about the work you did वो ना हो. Just keep it one page, talk about the work you've done, but उससे भी ज़्यादा important है your availability. So make sure कि आप first page में अपनी availability लिख दो. Like just mention that you are available from 5 PM onwards on Monday and whole day on Tuesday, or whatever your availability is, because that is what really matters to the employer. And if that matches, then you're good to go. So guys, this is all about part-time jobs, everything you need to know. It might sound a little scary right now, but trust me guys, सब कर लेते हैं. You will be able to do it, and don't be scared about it. It's not that difficult. And good luck to all of you. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let us know in the comment section what video you'd like to see next. I will see you guys again soon. Till then, bye.